Blackpool, and it was blowing a gale, which the wind isn't giving me.
The houses for the candles start at 27 and up. All the houses you can put candles from the back.
Thank you.
Next week, when a few more things open, we've got a Christmas tree maze. There's also going to be some toasting marshmallows over there, which will be a lot of fun. With next to the big red dude, Santa himself, will be hosting his Santa Stories, which opens next week. And we have a warming bar as well as an ice bar, so you can come and have a drink in a glass of ice, and then you can go next door and get warmed up with something a little bit warmer in the tummy. So last year we, across all of our attractions, topped out at about 3 million. That can be around sort of 90,000 on a Saturday, which is a busy day. It's definitely gone up in the years since COVID, and I think that's going to possibly continue to grow. But we're more interested in the cheer and and people having a lovely time than the amount of them.
Merry Christmas!